Hello, my beautiful sane people. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. For those of you who have already subscribed, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. And for those who have not subscribed to my channel yet, please feel free to hit the subscribe button below and the notification button below also. Okay, today is going to, this is going to be a short video before we get started. Coffee makes everything possible. Okay, so this video is going to be about how to usher your talent into a business. Okay, the first thing you want to do, you definitely want to decide which talent, because some of us have many talents. You want to decide which talent you're going to usher into a business. Some people may pick the most lucrative, the most passionate one they're most comfortable with, or the one that they're most passionate about. Okay, so whatever you choose, I urge you, don't chase the money. Don't do it to chase the money. Okay, once you do what you love and enjoy doing, you're passionate about it, the money will chase you, because you're going to put all of your effort into it and you're going to be happy doing so. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to set a goal. Okay, what is your goal for that business? How large do you see that business? Where do you want to take that business? What is the purpose of that business? Okay, so definitely set a goal. Once you set a goal, you want to learn your craft. Become an expert in that field. Even if it means taking classes, getting certifications, attending seminars, workshops, definitely a whole lot of research is necessary. After you do that, once you learn your craft, the next thing that I urge you to do is come up with an outline, or create an outline or a business plan. Nothing too technical, a little simple business plan, simple outline. Because what the business plan or outline is going to do for you is going to help you establish the direction of your business, the process, the objectives, the mission of your business. Because sometimes when you see stuff on paper, it gives you something to go on. It's just like a map. How are you going to find the gold if you don't have a map, if you don't know where to go to get to the gold? So a map is necessary. So a business plan or outline is definitely your map to get into the coins. So I definitely urge you to do those three things. Just to reiterate, the first thing you want to do is you want to set a goal. The second thing you want to do is you want to develop your craft or learn your craft, become an expert in that field. The third thing you want to do is you want to create an outline or a business plan for your business. Once you've gotten all three of those things together, in conjunction with everything else that you have to do as far as business licenses, permits, depending on which state you're in, you definitely want to legitimize your business. So I definitely look into what your state requires to establishing a business. If you're going to work from home, some states require that you have a license to have an at-home business. Some states don't require you to have a license to work at home. So just look into everything before you get started, okay? Because the last thing you want to do is invest your money, your time, and your talent into something to have it snatched away from you. So I definitely urge you to look into your state's business legalities. Definitely do that. Okay, and just so you know, I will be coming back with another video with an extended version, getting down into how to actually start from A to Z. I'll be a little bit more detailed in that video, so I definitely encourage you to hit the notification bell so that you won't miss the content as soon as I upload it. Okay, thank you so much for coming to my channel. I appreciate you guys. Remember, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, and share this video.